Harford Pier, constructed in 1873. That is where we're heading because there's a restaurant called Mersea's somewhere along that pier. Okay, we're on the pier that I always want to come to. Well, we did came here years ago. Maybe at least 3-4 years ago, maybe even longer. For some reason I thought the restaurant was right here on the left. But that's not it. It's all the way at the end, I think, where it says Harford Pier. Anyway, so there used to be a place where you could come down on the pier. Like on the side here, there were stairs on the right side. Well, apparently I'm on an active road. This is actually a road. The speed limit is 5 miles an hour. And there it is. Right below on those stairs. I think that's where on the right side here. That's where the sea lions used to be. Oh, yeah, sea lions, I think. Looks like there's people waiting for food already, I think. I am starving. Yesterday we went to eat. Well, I was trying to get, after the sunset, I was hoping to get the food and the Mexican restaurant next door, next to a hotel. That was like half dead. There was hardly anybody there. I went in there. Nora just kind of left stayed at the door side. I was waiting for like 10 minutes, trying to give somebody my order. Nobody really acknowledged me, so I just said screw you and left. Okay, on the left side here, there's like a little mini deck, and there seemed to be a sea lion, or maybe it's a seal. I have no idea what the difference. I think sea lions are bigger. So there's a sea lion just standing there with his head pointing up, like he's posing. It's kind of like Nora sits like this when she's waiting for her eye drops. Oh, the weather is like really clearing, but that's behind me, where the San Luis Obispo is. Nora, are you okay, sweetheart? So I'm hoping after I eat, I'm gonna go right there in front of me. There's like a little boat right behind there. There's some paddle boarding or something. Right behind it, there's like a little beach. I think it's considered a dog beach. Okay, so that's where the restaurant is called Mersea's. I just talked to that lady, the one just walking down the pier I was talking about. So apparently there's a dog beach over there. That's the only dog beach in Avila, over there, like straight ahead of me. Right behind there, the sea lions that is still posing. So there's a dog beach, and the dogs can be off leash. And I guess the tide is high, she says. She just moved here recently from San Diego. What a lucky lady, she says. Like, she likes it here way more. She was probably somewhere in mid-50s, 60s. It would be kind of nice to hike on those little hills, wouldn't it? Okay, well, there's the restaurant we're gonna go in a minute. I'm assuming that I can sit outside. If not, we're gonna take it to go. And now we're walking to the end of the pier, since there's no cars coming yet. So supposedly this pier was built something like in 1890 or something. It kind of looks like the wood is still original. But then again, if it's original, that just proves for the craftsman. So there's the restaurant, Harford Seafood Company. Oh, I could have just parked the car all the way here. Look how beautiful it is here. Oh my God, it's just incredible. So there's a pier in front of me, but this one, from what I could see on the map, I don't think there's access to it. I don't think you can get to it. Clam chowder soup and fish and chips with the best view. This is us walking down the pier, my little pier that I like so much. The weather is now absolutely gorgeous right now. The food was great. Fish and chips were like $17. Clam chowder soup, the bowl was $10. It was good, but I think fish and chips was my favorite. And a bottle of water, I think I paid like $31. Nora liked it because she got lots of French fries because I was getting kind of full. So she ate lots of French fries. Now we're just walking here. Okay, we're still walking to the parking lot. I just talked for like 15 minutes to this boat. They were like spray washing this boat like half an hour. That's kind of a nice. It's not gigantic, but it's nice and big. Smells like fish. Anyway, I was just talking to some ladies who are dog sitting. They had a dog that looks like a mini golden retriever, and they were dog sitting this dog. Okay, let's see if we can look on their deck. The deck. See what they've got on the deck. Anyway, the couple I was talking to, they're watching the dogs and they're using this trusted house sitters. They've had 10 assignments and they were speaking very highly of this thing. I was telling them that I want to do it with my wife. They've been doing mostly local assignments, building their like profile, but they really like doing this thing. Okay, so this is a nice little bay, right? So there are people kayaking here. The weather is, I don't know what's the weather right here now. According to my watch, it's 56. I think it's warmer. Let's see what my phone has to say. If I find the phone. If I didn't lose it anywhere. It says it's 59, but it's absolutely perfect and sunny. It was kind of hot while we're eating. Nora, you ready to go swimming now? Okay, let's go to the other side of the parking lot. And then Fat Cats. When we got here, there was a big line. They also have a fish and chips. Yeah, so this place was like packed outside when we were not packed, but there were quite a few people waiting and lots of people sitting inside. Why wouldn't you want to eat over there? And look at this cool little boat here. No, this was a really cool one. The big sailboat. So this is called boatyard. Some of those boats are actually, I like that blue and white a lot. Lucy.